Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I haven't really done a sit down video in a long time. It actually feels kind of weird sitting down and talking to you guys, but hopefully I can get back into the swing of things and, you know, do more sit down videos because that's what I enjoy the most. If you watch my previous vlogs, then you would have seen that I've changed my bedroom around, so I'm now sat on my bed filming this video, whereas before I would be sat at a table. So yeah, it's a bit of a change of background, I guess, which is kind of nice, but I'm still in the same position just because this window in the flat gives out the best natural daylight. So today I wanted to show you a couple of new parcels that I've received. One in particular is quite a big deal because it was really expensive and it was a treat to myself for like an early birthday present. My birthday is in July, but I actually got this in April or May, so it's kind of like a early birthday present to myself. And if you've been watching my channel for a while, then you would know that I used to make videos every birthday and every Christmas. I would always treat myself to something nice, like pretty expensive. But after having Aiden, my whole mindset on money changed, and a lot of things didn't appeal to me anymore, or it wasn't important to me anymore. So I kind of like didn't make those videos for a long time. But I have bought something and I have treated myself to something, and I did want to show it on camera because I know that I'm going to get a lot of questions because it is something that's been sold out for a long time, and I know I'm going to get questions like, did you buy it from the shop, did you buy it off someone, did you buy it second hand, how is it worth it, kind of things. So I have been using it for a month or so, and I just didn't film the video when I first got it because COVID started and there was just so much, like, my head was in a very negative space, so I just didn't feel like it was right to even show it anywhere. So I'm just showing it now because I feel a lot better, and yeah. First of all though, I just want to quickly show you this parcel that I got from Yes Style because it contains the hair dye that I use. So currently my hair has faded and it's gone quite brassy because it's faded back into the bleach colour. So I need to go over it again with this hair dye. It's called Bubble hair colouring from Etude House, and this is called Khaki Brown. I've already made a video, so I'll link it down below if you want to check out me using this. Yeah, so I've already done a video and I just wanted to quickly show you some of these things because I might be using these in some of the upcoming videos, and I know that you guys might ask, so I thought I'd just show it, and why not. I got these paper bag. These are like, they look elasticated but they're not. They're quite like stiff. It's not elasticated even though it looks it. I got these charcoal shorts from Yes Style. I really like these because they're A-line. I like how it will cover my ass. I find that a lot of shorts, denim shorts in the shops right now are just so short. Even if they're a normal length, as you start walking they slowly ride up and I get so self-conscious. I'm like, is my butt cheek hanging out? And I see people wearing shorts and I'm just wondering whether they're aware that their butt cheek is hanging out or whether that's something that they actually want to go for, like the whole look. But me being me, I'm a very self-conscious person when it comes to like showing a lot of like skin or flesh during like day-to-day kind of way kind of day. So I got these because first of all they cover my ass. They're not long but they're not short, and I really like the style. They're really flattering. A-line shorts are the most flattering if you have legs like mine, which are more on the shorter side, and you want to make your legs look a little bit longer. Then yeah, A-line shorts are really good for that, and these were like £13. I got a belt. I noticed that I don't have a basic black belt, so a lot of the times when I want to wear a belt I don't end up wearing a belt because I don't have a basic one. I always have like leopard print ones or a one with a really big gold hardware at the front, and it just isn't the look that I'm going for. So I bought a basic black belt with a gold loop. So I would pair this with dresses, even just shorts, just to give it a bit of detail. And this was really cheap. I think it was less than £4. So that's a good bargain. Then I also got some eye masks. These are the black, pearl and gold hydrogel eye patch eye masks. And I didn't mention at the beginning of this unboxing, but it did take about 2 weeks for it to arrive. I ordered it last month, so when things started opening up in Asia and things started getting back to normality a little bit, I ordered. I didn't order when COVID started because the shipping prices were crazy and it was going to take a long time. But when it was like kind of back to normal online, then I ordered it. So these are really good value for money because I got this for about £8 or £9, and you get 30 patches, 30 pairs, 60 patches, 30 pairs in this tub. So that's a really good deal if you ask me. So I got one of those. I also got another eyelash curler. This is the Shu Uemura eyelash curler, the only eyelash curler that I use because it's the best, hands down. There's no competition. Like for my kind of eye shape and eyelashes, I just find that this works the best. And then I also got a couple of waterproof gel liners. This is by a brand called McQueen. So it's a Korean brand. I got a dark brown and a black. I just find that Korean eyeliners and Japanese ones as well are the best. You cannot compare. Like the ones in the UK drugstore say they're waterproof, but they're never as waterproof as Korean or Japanese ones. They're honestly on a different level. And then last but not least, I got a eye glitter. This is called the Universe Liquid Glitter Shadow. It's a liquid eyeshadow, but I'm going to use it for like inner corners and underneath my eyes, just for a little bit of pop. That's how I like to use it. So yeah, that's my little YesStyle haul. Thought I'd show you that because why not? And then the next thing that I wanted to show you, the main thing which I treat myself to, is this. It came in a very big box. Like, this was really unnecessary. When I show you what it is, you'll be like, that's like less than half the size of this box. I was quite surprised actually. And it came with all the packaging, dust bag, receipt, ribbon, not, but as you can see, it's not in the bag because I've already been using it. So the bag that I got is the bum bag. I've been wanting this ever since it launched. It's always been sold out online and I've never seen it in shops either. Like every time I go in, it's always sold out. But at the beginning of lockdown, I think it was like April time, it was actually in stock online, and I thought about it for a long time. I actually saw it online and it took me about a week to think about it, whether I actually wanted it and whether I wanted to spend so much money on a bag. But I couldn't stop thinking about it, and that's when I knew I had to buy it before it's out of stock again. And as I'm saying this, currently online it is out of stock again, so it's going to be really hard to get your hands on one of these if you want one. I've seen on Festia for second hand, they're going at kind of like the same price as retail price or even more because it's so hard to get hold of. So people are kind of like upselling it, and I was just like, you know what, if it's in stock, that's a sign for me to buy it. I've been wanting this forever, and it's the kind of bag that is just perfect for me because I am hands free. You guys know that I am not about handbags that you hold like this anymore or on the shoulder. I'm all about crossbody bags, and I just need to be hands free. It's just perfect, and how I wear it is more to the side like this, so it is a crossbody bag. I have it on a little bit of a longer strap. You can adjust it, so that's the good thing about it. And I like to wear it like this, crossbody, so not too high up like this. I hardly ever wear it across my body like this. I've seen some people wear it like this, but for me, because I'm quite petite, it looks better just hanging on the side. And I'm so happy that I got this because, again, like I said, I rarely spend a lot of money on things now. So I thought, you know what, it's my birthday, I've had a bit of a shit time recently, I'm just going to treat myself. So I got it. There is a price increase. Louis Vuitton did have a price increase. I think it was in May, alongside Chanel. So it is a bit more expensive now, I think. But it actually fits a lot more than you'd imagine. I have quite a lot in here because I use it as my daily bag now. Sorry. I use it as my daily bag now. I don't swap bags or clear out my bags. I just grab this bag and go because it's so easy, and I'm not worried about it getting dirty because it's really easy to take care of. I can just wipe it down with a baby wipe and that's good to go. So I might as well show you what's inside, so you can see what it fits. As you can see, it's quite empty. There's still so much room, even though I have my Dettol. Why is it not showing? I have my Dettol. Yeah, it's really bright. I have my Dettol hand wipes. I think it's because it's white, so it's reflecting. I have my hand sanitizer. I have a face mask. I always carry a face mask in my bag, just in case I forget to wear one when I'm on my way out. So I've got one handy. I normally carry my phone as well and my card holder. So as you can see, it carries all the essentials and more if I wanted to. I could easily fit my makeup bag in here, and also maybe like a camera and anything else. My keys go in there as well, which is good. It's just, oh, I love it so much. I didn't think it would be for me, but when I received it, before I bought it, I called up to ask what the refund policy was, because obviously stores are not open and postage and that, everything's quite delayed. And she was like, yeah, you can return it within like 30 days, or you can wait until the shop's open, you can take it back to the shops if you don't like it. I was like, yeah, so let's just buy it and let's not wait until it's out of stock again and then have me regretting not buying it. So I bought it. I love it. As soon as it came and I tried it on, I knew this would be my most used bag from now on. It is just so handy. Really comfortable on the shoulder. Definitely worth the money, I would say. And it has 2, 4, 6, 7 holes, so you can adjust the length, which I think is really important, especially on crossbody bags or bags that you're going to wear sideways. Everybody is a different height, so if it hasn't got a adjustable strap, it just looks good on some people and it doesn't look as great on others. So crossbody bags, whatever, adjustable strap always. And that's one thing I learned, because I have a couple of crossbody bags that are not adjustable, and if I could, I would rather wear them a little bit shorter, but I can't. So going forward, when I buy bags, this is the one thing that I'm always going to look out for. And yeah, it's got a back pocket as well. So in the back pocket, this is where I normally keep my, I have a pair of glasses in, and then I have some cash. Because I don't carry, I have a card holder, so if I'm going to carry cash and coins, it can just go in here at the back. So yeah, love, 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 absolutely love. And if you have any questions, just pop them down below. I know it's really annoying when somebody shows you something and then it's out of stock, because I felt like that for the whole year when I saw people wearing this bag. So yeah, I guess it's just a case of being lucky, and I guess I was just lucky. I was on the website at the right time, I guess. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know if you want me to do more sit down videos, because that is what I enjoy and that's what I love, and I feel like I've got my motivation back. Oh, March, April and May were, I'm not going to say depressing, but it was hard. Like, those 3 months really took a toll on my mental health. Black Lives Matters really affected me as well, because like it's just depressing, and yeah, I'm gonna get teary if I start talking about it. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed it. If you want any more sit down videos, just let me know, give me ideas. I have quite a few planned, but if there's anything you want to see, you know, always just leave me a comment and let me know. So yeah, until my next video, hopefully I'll be filming 2 videos a week again, now that I feel a bit better and I'm feeling motivated again. Yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys. Mwah.